Hello everyone, thank you so much for joining us. Today we're going to be doing the monthly market update for the month of July. So I have here today the lovely
Erica Harris, guys.
Erica Harris, and I'm Jasmin Bradley. So Erica, let's talk about July and let's contrast a little bit. So can you tell us a little bit about the number of closed sales and average sales price?
Yes, guys. So we're going to start off talking about Richmond County and then we'll move down to Columbia County. So in the month of July, there was 186 closed sales here in Richmond County, and the average sales price was $220,000. Jasmin, if you want to tell them what happened in June?
Yes, so if you were watching our videos last month, same video, same time, we were talking about the month of June, and the number of closed sales were 213. So compared to the 186, you can see that the amount of sales actually went down in Richmond County. Now, also the average sales price was $240,000, and the amount of numbers of average sales price actually went down to by $20,000. So some of the things that we are thinking are affecting these are actually the rising interest rates. Richmond County is a strong first-time buyer market at the moment.
I agree.
And so because of that, interest rates is kind of pushing down the affordability for the buyers.
Correct. Also say too, not necessarily saying that that's because of the price went down, but I would say the sales would typically go down in the month of July because everybody that was thinking about purchasing over the summer is definitely trying to be in their home by August, because in the month of July, everybody's getting ready for back to school. So the average days on market was 79 days. And then the average sold price per square feet is at $119. For the month of July, and what would you say June is?
So in the month of June, the average days on the market were 72 compared to the 79 that she just said, and the average sold price per square foot was $129. So you're getting about $10 per square foot less on the month of July than in the month of June.
And from a seller's perspective, and if you're in Richmond County and you're thinking about selling your property, if you think about it, it took an additional week in order for the home to be sold. But again, that could be because of the interest rates, and it could be because people are trying to get into their properties before school starts. So if they're purchasing in July, they would have already chose their home so that they can be settled by August. So moving on to Columbia County, I'll tell you a little bit more about the number of closed sales. So 283 homes were closed in Columbia County, and the average sales price was $382,000.
Yes, so in the month of June, the number of closed were 296. So compared to what Erica said, you had a little bit less homes selling in the month of July than in the month of June, but we have the average sales price of $384,000. So the average sales price also went down just a little bit from the last month.
Correct. And for the average days on market in Columbia County, it was actually went to 89 days, and then the average price per square feet was at $159 in the month of July.
And so, and what a contrast with it actually going down in one area and going up in the other one. For the average days on the market in the month of June was 94 days compared to 89 last month, and the average price per square foot was 154. And so what you're seeing there is a little bit of a contrast, but altogether, what I will tell you is that if you're a seller in today's market, you can still sell, but it's all about competition. You're entering a competition. So the best strategy at the moment would be to price your home competitively, and then you will be able to have multiple offers or having an offer period. That you just having an offer is a blessing.
Yes.
So,
and again, for sellers, you just want to be aware that if you are listing your property, you have to be a little bit more patient because the market is changing. If the interest rates are going to be higher, you have to be patient with buyers that are having to make harder decisions on getting a higher than normal mortgage. But again, houses are still selling. Is a combination. That's almost 400. There's 500 houses between the two counties that have sold. Even though the interest rates are increasing and we're in inflation, over 500 homes together between Columbia County and Richmond County have sold.
Yes, absolutely. And so lastly, what I want to say to encouragement for the buyers are, as you can tell, the prices. It's not a recession. The prices haven't dropped or fallen. So if you're trying to time the market, it's not necessarily the best game to play at the moment. So even with the higher interest rates, it would be a good idea, a good perspective to buy now, as the prices may be the lowest that they're going to be.
Correct.
And then later you can refinance once the property has, once the interest rates have lowered. So,
I agree.
awesome. Thank you so much for watching this video. We really appreciate you and your time, and we value you as a client, customer, friend. And we want to encourage you to like our Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube page if you haven't done so already, so you can be informed of more videos like these.
Certainly. Y'all have a good day.